Hello, sir. This could be our last interview, sir. For
May not be.
Yatra, I don't know. I'm hoping that the Yatra seems to have come and
Need
it's
not be
more
the last.
emotional.
It can
sir.
be the first.
Yeah,
We'll
yes,
keep
sir.
on interviewing more and more.
Not the
interviews.
interviews and
Meeting.
Yatra as such.
Yatra as such is over.
Yatra
I mean,
as such it
we have
is.
to start the travel again.
Yeah, sir.
It's
it
a
has
journey.
to- Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The Yatra is the beginning of a journey.
Yes, sir.
Maybe together or with maybe in Telugu.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Maybe in cinema.
Yes.
My travel happened. I mean, the journey started long ago.
True, sir. True, sir. And I remember me coming to you to tell the script, sir. I was very nervous, or what it is. Considering seeing your work before,
You
I was
didn't
just
seem to
very-
be. You didn't
Yes,
seem to be
yes.
nervous.
And in this, when I told you the story, sir, like when you hear stories. Is there any one specific element what would touch you, sir? Like for example, you hear a story intuitively. Is there any kind of a thing which triggers you to be drawn to a story, sir?
I don't know what intuition works. Something maybe some element of the story may attract us.
Yes.
But no, I don't know. I'm not very sure about what actually attracted me in this particular script.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I thought of going to the people with this kind of a character, and after a long time, I'm doing a Telugu film.
Yes, sir.
So I think this would be a better choice for me
Yes, sir.
as an actor
Yes, sir.
to play a known politician or maybe known leader, maybe.
Yeah, yes.
So I can reach more people,
Yes.
more into them.
Yes, sir.
And not only that, I have already done Ambedkar and all
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes.
So I'll have more dramatic situations. Real life drama will be
అవును sir, అవును.
more dramatic than the created dramatic sequences.
Because there is any fear, sir, or like when you do real character, fiction is మీరు ఎలాగన్నా
See,
interpret చేయొచ్చు.
I had no what do you call preconceived notion about
Yes.
how I'm going to do it and what is my preparation, what preparation I should do,
Yes, yes.
and what should I
Yeah,
learn about the character? Should I read,
Yeah.
see clippings or footage? No, I didn't do any research.
Okay, sir. No.
I came to you the set,
Yeah.
and you gave me the dress. Of course,
Yeah, yeah.
we have already tried
Yeah,
that,
yes,
and I wore it on, put it on, and
Yeah. Yes.
I don't think I look like the same. Look like YSR.
Yeah.
I never tried to ape him also.
Even I believed it, sir. That's what నేను when shooting చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చూస్తున్నప్పుడు కూడా I never thought that ఇది వైఎస్ఆర్ గారు అని చూడలేదు. I was thinking that there's no, we didn't even biopic అంటే you have to look alike అనేది it's a standard, people have a strong idea. But you told saying not necessary, అవసరం లేదు. We'll still think. I was a little reluctant. Why? I mean, he had a bald. He was there. But that seems to have worked.
I don't look like him. I don't say that. I don't want to say that he doesn't look like me.
Yeah.
I don't look like him.
But in spite of it, sir, the beauty of it is when people saw. Personally, as a director, I thought audience ki 5 నిమిషాలు పడతది, 5 minutes, maybe 2-3
In
scenes.
fact,
they will
2-3
do.
scenes they will either accept or reject.
Yeah, but what happened was when they showed you saying the first dialogue, saying that na chaste
Chaste
bhayapadalamma,
Batukundage.
in the theater, when you just came, you said that line for some reason. It's just magical. It's not even our effort. Audience just felt that this was Vyasa. And
I
it
didn't
was
do
not
anything.
told with
I did not do anything deliberately.
Yeah, sir.
I don't do also. I
Yeah,
cannot do. I'm not that kind of. I'm that very talented to
Yes.
absorb things and adapt things.
Yeah, yes.
But I have my own way. This is what I can do. This
Yes, sir, yes.
is the only thing I can do.
Yeah.
That's what I could do. I did it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And if there is any magic or any
Yeah, sir.
wonder that
Yeah,
is
sir.
left to you.
Yes. But what they saw on screen was, or why people fell in love with the character YSR was, you made it real. Somewhere you made it something so real, so humble, something which they could really just root for, sir. That was just amazing. That I realized it in the second day of shoot. Rondo Road shoot lo, when you said na Batukundaka bhayamemi ani, any given actor whom I knew growing up would have told it in a most thundering way, getting carried away with that dialogue. But I think thanks to you, so that I mean when
See, if you get carried away with the script, you won't be able to do the role.
Yes,
Because you will become an audience or
Yes,
a
sir.
spectator.
yes, sir.
You will become a third person.
Yes, sir.
See, once you read a script, if
Yes,
you are
sir.
getting emotion, you are getting charged with that emotion.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You are a reader.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to get charged with the emotions in a different way.
Yeah.
Then only you become an actor. That's what I feel. I think.
This is my biggest lesson in the film, sir, that where this is how, even in the farmer one, the first scene was the Raitu scene.
Yes.
And that is the scene where producers got convinced, or most people got, I myself got convinced to say the film. The irony is, even that first scene, I had envisioned it completely different. నాకు వినపడాలయ్యా వాయిస్ సంథింగ్ వినపడుతుందయ్యా కోపందయ్యా
నాకు వినపడుతుందయ్యా
but there was on the
you wanted me to be louder again, but I tried, but I couldn't.
That was the best script notes I ever got from an actor. That 2 lines made how I look directing actors completely different. From there on, I started making notes for actors to see it from the thing, not from the writer's thing. And that will be one of the single most, it's like someone saying apple fall. For me, it was simple, but it changed how I saw now.
I think I was not able to convince you even then. You were not convinced.
No, sir, I was convinced. No, I'm
not. I see. It's a way I can be louder.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But I felt it awkward. It is very awkward. A man, political leader, being respected by people, shouting before a patient who is not able to speak himself, and he is shouting at the doctor for none of his mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Is it logically correct?
Yes. No, sir, it is not. I mean, it is. I don't know how I missed
and
that.
Even I wanted to give a smile.
Yes.
Yes. I wanted to say
small
that.
Things, sir, I don't know.
There, but he has a little anger there because I can understand.
Yeah.
But give me, I know that he cannot speak.
But I can listen.
But I can hear what he is going to speak.
I think so.
That's the way that is what he actually wanted to communicate with the doctor.
I think that one scene will be the one which I will cherish for the whole of the film, sir, which is one I wrote. And maybe when it will look back and say to show to my grandchildren, anyone whom it is, I'll show that and say,
that is too much.
No, sir, it is. I mean, as a writer,
these things that it cannot be that precious or that to be archived. No,
and it is not
like
efforted, sir. No, why I feel is it, sir, it's not something I don't claim to be, it's my creation or effort. But it's something which you just feel grateful that you were part of it and it just happened. And you just witnessed it.
It happened.
And luckily when people say it is yours, you feel a little bit
I was little more conversant in the language. I think I would have tried better. Not done better, I had to have tried better, because whenever I do that conscious of, I don't know the language, I am not conversant, I am not fluent.
Yes.
I cannot divert my lines, I cannot give an alternate word for this line I speak. That conscious I had.
Where when I asked you, sir, about the dubbing, you made
my
it
first
very
condition
clear.
was that I don't want to do any film without my voice.
Without dubbing. And
say an actor, when the film is talkies,
yes, sir,
it should talk. Then I also should talk.
Yeah, and because I had seen Talpati and other films, I was confident that he would dub it. Right, I would dub it. But I was scared it's not Telugu, it's authentic Telugu, and such huge pages and pages of it. Would it? Again, people are seeing it from a real character point of view. Would it backfire, or people are
very risky?
Very risky. It is risky.
When I do a non-character whose speeches have been very popular, and people know him visually and audio also.
Yes.
Or even audio visual presence was there with him. So if visually maybe fine, visually also I don't look like him. And even I give my audio, my lines, if that also, if it's looking awkward, the whole thing will look awkward. So I wanted to be very, I want to give 100% perfection, which I could not achieve it, but still I am trying.
No, sir. Is there any, of the whole films, any scene, one particular scene, when you see back, you feel,
scenes were good, but I don't think I would. I feel that.
Yes.
I would never want to do my films again. But I always think that I could have done better.
Is there any?
It's not a polishing.
True, sir.
But I also always feel that, and after some point of time, I hate to see my films again. Because I feel very guilty. I feel I lose my confidence because I did not do it well.
Yes, sir.
I could have done well, and I am only that much. That much only I could do.
True, sir.
I could have done more. I should do more. I should do better.
True, sir. See, having given so many opportunities to so many debutants, sir, is there anything which you would want to say to a aspiring director or a debutant director who wants to pitch or make? Sir? Because you have seen them. Is there something which you say,
No,
do
see,
this
those,
and be careful of this, just be cautious?
I could read the passion, their, what do you call, their wish, their hunger,
Yes,
their energy,
yes, sir.
their new visions, and their confidence, of course.
Yes, sir.
And when they come with a script
Yes, sir.
to impress me,
Yes, sir. Yes.
it is a task, maybe, for them, not
Yes,
for me.
because the baggage of it is huge.
Baggage is too much,
Yes, sir.
too big.
Yes.
And most of them could convince.
Yes.
And I don't take it very seriously if
Yeah.
they make a film and they... I don't think about the so-called stardom when I go for newcomers.
yes.
I do experiments, always.
Yes.
Every film, if it is commercial film or an art house film or a mediocre film or a comedy film, any kind, what genre it is,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yes.
But that every film is an experiment. Even our film was an
Yes,
experiment.
yes, yes, yes,
This is for absolute experiment.
yes, sir.
Yatra was not a normal with ingredients of a normal film.
Commercial film, yes.
Commercial maybe.
Yes, yes, yes.
But that was an experience. Even Perumbu was an experience. Every film is an experience for me. Last year I was not that very big in the box office.
Yes,
But still I did. I wanted to do it. I did it.
There are so many hands touched. We don't know who it belongs to at all, sir. It is, I think, the most egoless art is cinema. So that's the beauty of
Should be.
Should be. Unfortunately, too much credit to the director and an actor.
Stars.
Which I feel that it is, you are depriving who really...
No. See, in cinema,
Yes, sir.
the audience will feel only the presence of certain people, like director, cameraman, editor,
Yes, sir.
actors, of course,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and maybe choreographer,
Yes, sir.
other. But there are so many other people working in the film.
Yes, sir.
Their work is not seen by or felt by the people.
Yes, sir.
But we forget to acknowledge them most of the time.
Yes, sir. Which is, yes.
Now I think the education of cinema is going a little
Yes.
higher. Common audience also started feeling about editing, music,
Yes.
music, direction, photography, everything is common because now you can make a film with a phone.
Yes, yes, sir. True, sir. I wish, as someone who has watched your films, Perumbu kind of films, I wish to see more of them. Not that I don't want to see others, but when you're doing something Yatra or some big canvas.
Sir, I tell you something. I'm an actor.
Yes, sir.
If I sit
Yes,
at
sir.
home and act before you, nobody will watch.
True, sir.
There should be a movie.
Yes, sir.
There should be a script.
Very true.
There should be a director. There should be a cameraman. There should be my co-actors. And so many other factors should join together for me to perform.
True, sir.
So whatever actor I may be, but I need all this.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So my role as an actor is very small.
But the thing is, sir, if you look back, it's been more than 3 decades now. And you're still relevant, sir. You are still relevant. I mean, it's something, such a huge thing. I mean, you've been consistently a protagonist for the last 30 years. Is it something which you reinvented, or is it doesn't? I mean, because every generation...
Of course, I do reinvent, but
every
otherwise
generation changes, sir.
I have no, what do you call, formula for to be, formula for how to become an actor or how to be sustained for a long time. I have no formula.
Yeah.
I was very hardworking. I was always reinventing. I used to watch my films.
Yes, sir.
And I always wanted to correct myself. Not in the same film, by next film.
Yes.
And whatever mistake I do, whatever things I am being repeating myself. Being an actor, doing so many number of films, there is a lot of chance of repeating myself.
Yeah.
But I tried my best, very hard to not to repeat. Because with the same body, same face, same voice, same face.
Yes, sir.
How can you cannot repeat yourself? So that is the struggle I do.
Yeah, it amazes me because when I look at the fans Mammootty sir's fans who come up, they're all 19, 20, 21, 22. I was telling to myself, they would not have been born
after I became
His
an
father
actor.
would have been a fan. I can understand there's some meaning to it. These people rooting for it and everything is surprises because it's not easy to be relevant to a generation, sir. That is anyone. We have to humbly accept and move on and move this, sir. Among all the directors you worked, sir, is there a director or 1 or 2 directors whom you felt they enriched you as an actor? Like it's something where they made you feel that...
I have lot of them are even from MT to KT George to Adur, Joshi, all kind of, even new directors. They will find new things on me,
yes, sir, yes.
which I have not done.
Yes, sir.
And my senior directors, classic filmmakers, masters,
Yeah, yes.
could find me acting. Even you could find something,
yes,
and
yes.
Ram could find something new in me.
Yes.
That is what makes me alive.
Yes. And one biggest, I think the next generation people in Kerala, at least Kerala, the next generation of actors is, you and Mohanlal sir have overshadowed it for a generation, sir. It's become such a huge bar. I mean, in 80s we have, who is there in Kerala? Mammootty, Mohanlal. Now it is 2018, sir. And it is almost, it's like they were great players even during Sachin and them. They were all unknown and overshadowed, sir.
It
is a bar. It will take,
because they say Dilip Kumar's, Raj Kapoor, Devanand, so many were there for a long time. Shivaji, MGR were there for a long time.
But 30 years.
But we are not comparing with them.
Yes.
But it is maybe the hard work or the period.
Yes, I think Kerala
lesser competition.
They have to be proud that they had a generation of two actors who could last long. Sir. I mean, they.
No, even Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan, Chiranjeevi, all are there still.
You both are still very active, sir, making 4 films, 5 films a year.
That because our industry is very small.
No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
We cannot afford to one film, restrict to one film.
No, sir. And finally, sir, this thing, I mean, I personally feel the obsession of telling stories to films as a format, it will be relevant, sir, but it is very true that there is a huge change undercurrent, or which is evident now.
Changes.
We like it.
You should feel the change.
We like it or not, a web series Netflix is here to say.
See, the concept, the idea of films will not change.
Yes, sir.
As a technology will not change, but
yes.
Maybe the exhibition may change, the venues may change.
Yes, sir.
The reproduction, distribution may change.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The only exhibition may change.
Yes,
but for media, venues, media may be changing.
Yes, sir.
But the cinema as it is will be there.
Yes, sir. But I think all filmmakers, all actors, everyone have to embrace this change where we have no choice as such.
No choice.
And I truly wish you have some things. I mean, you transcended formats, transcended decades. I really wish to see something spectacular on a web format. It is no smaller thing, sir. A web format has much larger audience.
See, web should be in a very popular language.
Yes,
which
sir,
I am not conversant in any of the popular languages. Maybe English or Hindi for Indian audience.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am not very conversant in both.
Yeah. No, for example, Narcos, sir. We didn't know that, man. It's not our world. I wish to see a story from us go global. And we have actors who are capable of it. We have stories which are so deep-rooted. We have such thing. I fail to understand why we never aspired going beyond our borders. It's something which we had a wealth of so much, but
movie and web series have a lot of difference.
Yes, yes.
Web series come to your home.
Yes, sir.
For movies, you have to go to the theatre.
Yes, sir.
So when you take that much of strain and going to the theatre is a different experience.
Yes, yes.
But the actors coming to your home,
yes, sir.
There is a different kind of, there's a different feeling, different approach.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. I hope, sir. I mean, my wish is that there's something, something.
I hope. I don't want to explain it.
Yeah,
but it's so.
Yes, yes.
Web series and movies are different for actors or movies.
Yes, sir.
Web series will come onto your home at your fingertip.
Yeah, yes.
Movie is not.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, I have still a question to ask you, but
I
have always been asking to you. Why did you thought of me when you were planning to do YSR?
I answered.
I have not someone.
Yes.
I know. I am not from the language.
Yes, sir.
I am known for my arrogance. Known for my.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why did you choose? Why did you try to approach?
About first other part, sir. When I was told that I was directing Mammootty garu, I had more than few calls, and as a director, I had to check with other people to see how do I work with this big man. Not even one person or not even many people had said well, it's a very difficult job, and they said it's going to be very difficult or what it is. They said, oh, you're going to. I'm not being even humble, diplomatic side. It's not. It shows on my face. People said arrogant. You could be a brilliant actor in your lifetime, but no man can act 365 days, sir. because a director can see it on the screen, and I have interacted you outside the screen more than anything else. And the other part of it is why you is, I saw only few movies of yours. I mean, when I come from a small town, all your movies were dubbed into Telugu.
Most of them.
They were dubbed into. I saw a lot of films where I mean, we don't know the titles. They have strange titles. I come from Madanapalli. Back in 80s, early 90s, we used to get a lot, sir. I mean, the titles also. And when I saw Dalpati, I think it released for Diwali or something, November, I remember. I saw it at 4, 5 o'clock in theatre. That one scene where I liked Rajinikanth. I mean, I went to the theatre wanting to see Rajinikanth because I come from Chittoor. I'm influenced by him.
Yeah, of course.
And when I went there, it was that one particular scene, couple of scenes, like when you confront. He's the biggest superstar whom we have been screaming, and here is a man who's standing up, and my eyeballs are going there. I can see him. Then that was one scene I felt, God. If someone can hold space and still resonate the power of what it is, if YSR is a man who symbolized that power, where he could stand and people it is, I was very sure that that will be the thing. That Kudaradu, if at all is translated.
But Kudaradu scenes are not there in our film.
I made a tribute in the film, sir. You said that Pedana, whatever that scene, you say Kudaradu. Because it is so deep rooted, I wanted to go back later on. I felt, oh, I made my own Kudaradu with whatever it is. It was a small thing. I didn't want to copy. But there's no big logic, sir. Not me. Anyone else would have directed. 99% sure that you would have been one of the two actors who they would have wanted to make it with. Sir. Sheerly because you could transport between Swathikaran to Dalpati or Perinambu to Yatra or invariably to Pontanavadu to Videyan. It's impossible for someone to shift from such huge things, sir. That was my big...
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi, India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie review,
Interviews,
latest updates, subscribe.
IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.